Hi friends, welcome to the Modern Learning. Today we have another sweet treat of present perfect continuous tense. So let's get started. As we know that present tense is divided into four parts. That is simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. In today's video, we are going to learn present perfect continuous tense. So let's get started. Let's check out what is present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense, also known as the present perfect progressive tense, shows that something started in the past and is continuing at the present time. The present perfect continuous usually emphasizes duration or the amount of time that an action has been taking place. Check out the examples. She has been working at that company for 3 years. Or you have been waiting here for 2 hours. Or they have been feeling really tired. Let's check out present perfect continuous tense structure in the positive sentences. We need to have a subject plus has been or have been plus verb ing form plus an object. Check out the examples for a better understanding. I have been teaching at the university since June. Or he has been feeling a little depressed. Or they have been talking for the last hour. Now notice that with I we use have been, with he, she, it we use has been, and with they or we use have been. Check out the structure of present perfect continuous tense in the negative sentences. We need to have a subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus verb ing form plus an object. Check out the examples. I have not been teaching at the university since June. Or he has not been feeling a little depressed. Or they have not been talking for the last hour. Let's check out present perfect continuous tense structure in the interrogative sentences. For interrogative sentences, we put has or have in the beginning of the sentence plus subject plus been plus verb ing form plus an object and a question mark. Check out the examples. Have I been teaching at the university since June? Or has she been feeling a little depressed? Or have they been talking for the last hour? So friends, let's recap today's lesson. The structure in the positive sentence is subject plus has been or have been plus verb ing form plus an object. Hence, he has been working on that project for 2 years. The structure in the negative sentence is subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus verb ing form plus an object. Hence, he has not been working on that project for 2 years. The structure in the interrogative sentence is has or have plus subject plus been plus verb ing form plus an object and a question mark. Hence, has he been working on that project for 2 years? So friends, this was all about present perfect continuous tense. Watch my video for the use of since and for. If you like this video, just give a thumbs up. And click the link in the description for my other videos. But don't forget to subscribe. See ya!